Hi everybody, this is my 89 Mustang GT and I'm just showing you my I don't have a steering wheel, but that's a 89 saleen hub from a SSC Mustang. It's stripped, so I gotta fix it. And this is the steering wheel that I found at the junkyard. Here's a pad. And then here's the controls for the cruise control. So that's how it looks. And I need to get it wrapped. I'm gonna wrap it in black suede with a black leather insert. So this is my saleen shifter knob from well, actually it looks like a saleen shifter knob. I got the shifter knob off a 86 Subaru wagon, and it's the same thing except for the shift pattern. I got that at MP Salvage for $20. So that's it right there. It looks exactly like a saleen shifter knob, but nobody knows. And that's a radio delete kit. And that's my hub. I need to fix that. It's stripped. I got the hub and the steering wheel for $10 at the junkyard. I got the shifter knob at the junkyard for $5, and the insert was $20. And then here's what I've been collecting for my car. Every time I go to the junkyard, I got pretty much everything the car came with. I get this plastic key. I got the guide. Warranty. It looks brand new. Everything. Took me a while to get all the different stuff. And then the last thing, my autograph, but when the sun kind of faded it out. So that's my car. I'm almost done with it. Make another video of my engine, and hopefully I'll be done by then. Alright, bye.